everyone and welcome to Hearts in the Home. My name is Lisa and I'm here today to show you how to make pizza at home. So to get started, what you'll need is a mixing bowl, some kitchen scales, some lukewarm water, white sugar, some strong flour, also known as pizza flour, some vegetable oil. I've got mine in a spray bottle here, which you'll find is quite convenient, and some yeast. You'll want to start by weighing out 450 grams of strong flour. I'm cheating here and I'm using a packet mixture, so the scales won't look exactly right. But if you're using individual ingredients, you'll want to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oil. You can also add a pinch of salt if you like. Next, you'll want to add 3 teaspoons of baker's yeast. Again, I'm cheating, so mine comes pre-measured in a packet. And lastly, you'll want 1 cup of water, or 250 grams. It's important to get this measurement correct, otherwise your dough will be too sticky. You might want to take off any rings that you might be wearing. Lightly dust some flour over a clean, dry surface, and also some on your hands. Then turn out your dough onto the floured surface and give it a good knead for a few minutes. The goal is for the dough to be quite elastic. You want to be able to stretch your pizza dough until you have a translucent window in it. Then once you've kneaded your dough, shape it into a ball and then give it a dust with some more flour. Place the dough floured side down into your mixing bowl. Then cover the mixing bowl with a damp cloth and leave it to sit in a warm, dry place until it's risen to about twice its size, which will take around 45 minutes. Alternatively, you could use the oven on a very low temperature. I use 50 degrees, which is the lowest my oven will do. Lightly dust your surface again, and then turn out the risen dough carefully onto your surface. Give it a light knead, and then divide your dough in half. Reflour your surface as necessary. Alternatively, you could use seminola. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough to the right size and thickness for your pizza tray. I've greased mine with a light spray of olive oil. I'm going to give it another light spray with olive oil before I put any pizza sauce on it, which helps to prevent the sauce from making the pizza base soggy. Now it's time to add a generous dollop of pizza sauce and spread it around with the back of a spoon. You can of course get creative and try barbecue sauce or a cheese sauce. It's totally up to you, maybe even pesto. Now it's time to add pizza toppings of your choice. I'm going to use a selection of more traditional ingredients. I've got mild Hungarian salami, goat's cheese, mozzarella cheese, black olives, sun-dried tomatoes, mushrooms, green capsicum, and some sliced red onion. Bake the pizza for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And there you go, that's how to make your own pizza at home. So now all that's left to do is to enjoy. Thanks for joining me, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Bye!
Bon appetit!